How to make home birthday colored card. It's not just possible to make unique homemade birthday cards for your nearest and dearest using just a few simple materials, it's fun. With these easy steps, you'll never waste money on expensive and impersonal store-bought cards again. Step 1. Fold the card. Take any colored A4 sheet of paper and fold it in half. To make it look more creative, you can cut out strips from a different colored paper sheet and paste them on as a background. Step 2. Create the cover page. Take any scrap paper, write your birthday wish on it, and hand tear it. If you don't know about hand tearing, refer to the tips section. After getting the heading ready, paste it nicely on the front page of the card. Step 3. Open the card. After making the cover page, open the folded A4 sheet and create the inner portion of the card. A few ideas are listed below. Step 4. Write loving words. On the right side of the two halves, you can write a poem or some good thoughts and decorate it nicely. Step 5. Add a photo. For the left half, you can paste a photo of you with the birthday person and write about some beautiful memories you have together. If you don't have any photo of this person, you can either download it from social media or simply paste a small chocolate or a toffee in and write a few creative lines. Step 6. Make a few final touches. You can finish decorating the card by pasting stickers, applying glitter, etc. Any little extras that you think might make the card shine are good ideas. Step 7. Finished. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.